Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. I love when my makeup looks flawless all day long. And the L'Oreal Infallible Professional Sweep and Lock, it's a long title, but it's the translucent setting powder, just the translucent one. This is amazing. I had to make this video before I run out of it because I use it every day to keep my makeup flawless all day long. It is the perfect loose, it's extra fine. You can see it's white, but it doesn't go on white. It doesn't make me look powdery. It doesn't make my makeup look cakey. It just makes it flawless. It absorbs the oil properly so that my makeup doesn't get greasy. It doesn't crease. It doesn't run off my face. The makeup just stays perfectly looking like skin all day long. So whether it's every day or for a special event or a wedding, anytime you want your face to look flawless, I highly recommend the L'Oreal Infallible Professional Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. And that's my point of view.